guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like this look, stay tuned. I'll show you step by step exactly how I achieved it. Alright, so first we're going to start out with that hydration. I get really dry right around here, so it really helps with that. Next up, I'm going to do the eyebrows. I personally like to use that E. Parson Beauty pomade. Gives it a good, I guess, texture color to my eyebrows. So it's not too dark, but not too light, you know? My hair is like that odd shade in between brown and, I don't know, it looks just brown in the camera, but it's got like reds in it, it's got like blondes in it, and it's all sorts of fun colored. I just call myself a calico cat now that I got some grays in there too. Just make the other one match here. Now we're gonna cut it out, you know. Ah! Nothing happened. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Nothing happened. It's fine. Go back to cutting it out here. Yeah, I can't believe I did that. That's all right. That's how you know it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and sis ain't awake yet. Alright, now I just gotta make the other one match here. Now I must draw my warrior paint. I'm ready for battle. Now to bounce it all out. Okay, one half done, gotta do the other half. Now some powder work. I really am liking this brush though. It's super soft on my skin. So nice. So nice. Now the eyeshadow. Okay, so we're going to be trying something new. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try it. I'm going to use some of these colors I don't use very often, and we're going to go ahead and start actually with this one right here, and we're going to put it towards the crease here and blend it out. We're just going to hope and pray this look works out today, because I may not actually record this or post it if it doesn't turn out all right. But that's okay, at least we're trying, you know? I'm trying to use colors that I don't use very often. I didn't know what to do today, so I had Eric pick the colors, and of course he had to pick the most random colors that don't go together at all. So we're gonna try it, and we're gonna see if it works. Definitely want it more packed in there, so it's a deeper color, not too bright. I mean, if we're gonna use up some of these colors I don't use as often, we're definitely gonna use them. Okay, and then also I'm gonna take some and put it on my lash line here as well below and kind of blur it down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna make the other eye match here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go in with the darker like blue here and kind of go more towards the inner of the crease. Tap off the excess. And the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so now that we got that on, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease out again. Not bad. Okay, so now we got to do it to the other side as well. Okay, so next we're going to go back in with this one right here, this lighter orange shade. We're going to put it. Ooh, it's bright like a neon orange. That's going to be a fun color. It's going to look good though, Alyssa. It's okay. It's alright. We're going to go to about mid eyelid with this color, I think. Okay, we'll make it match on the opposite side. Okay, so now that I got both on, we're going to go back in with this color right here. It's like a deeper orange, kind of slightly towards the red side, but more orange. We're going to kind of put this more towards the middle of the eyelid and a little bit towards the corner, but not all the way in that corner. And then we're just going to make it match on the opposite side. Now that I'm matching on both sides here, I'm going to go in with the corner color. I'm thinking like maybe some red. Yeah, let's do some red. We'll go in with this red here in the corner. Just to kind of stick with like that orange red contrast to the blue. And then we are getting a little bit of like a blurred crease now, which is not the look I was looking for. So I'm going to go back in with more of a concentrated brush and try to etch that out a little bit more. Just give me 1 second. Okay, found the brush. We're going to go back in and do more concentrated with that etchness. We're going to go back in with like that darker blue color that we used. Kind of etch back out that line there that's supposed to be there, but kind of messed it up with the eyeshadow a wee bit, but that's okay because we know how to fix it, so it's fine. That is fine. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on this side. You could just see the difference here. I feel with this look, it's very specific of a look, so we're going to go in with some gold right here at the corner because I feel like it'll just kind of help it make it pop, you know? So this is actually from my Huda Beauty. It's the Emerald palette. I'd like to take the gold first out of it. Put it in that corner. If you see down here, there's like that gold. Very cute, very cute. And just kind of drag it up just a wee bit into that orange, but not too much because again, we don't want to overpower it. Just kind of add that pop of color there. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in. There's actually gold flakes or flecks, however you want to call it. And we're going to put those in the corner as well, the little gold flecks. Okay, now that we popping, we shining like stars in the sky, like diamonds. Watch too many stand-ups. I'm gonna go back in with this gold right here. Let's give it that extra oomph, you know? Okay, so now we're gonna put on the eyeliner and the lashes. Hold please. Okay, so now that I got the eyelashes and the eyeliner on, we're gonna go in with that It CC cream and do the face. This is always my favorite part because I feel like I'm beating myself up. Not quite, not quite. Okay, so now that we got the foundation liquid on, we're gonna go back in with the transparent powder. I can't talk today. And just kind of set that in place before we do our contour and our blush. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the Balm contour. Contour out the shadows of the face here. These are gonna be different on each person. Mine are just, I guess, pretty basic. And then we're gonna go in with our blush next. And with the blush, you just want to make sure that you're not going past the middle of your eye, or else it's going to give you that appearance of being sunburned, which is not the look we're going for, you know? I really do like this clay base blush, not bronzer. Just goes on very smooth. And then we're going to do your highlighter. Okay, I'm going to do my hair and I'll be back. And this is the completed look. I guess it did turn out okay. The colors weren't too bad that Eric picked out. He did a good job. Very good job. Thank you, baby. And if you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.